Do your knees feel stiff when you wake up in the morning? Do your hips ache after walking up the stairs? Or simply standing for too long? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and you're not imagining things. Joint pain becomes more common as we age, but what if I told you there's a natural leaf? Yes, a simple leaf that people are using to regenerate cartilage and relieve joint pain while they sleep? Stay with me, because in this video, we're diving into powerful, natural remedies you can use right at home, and yes, I'll reveal the name of this miracle leaf and exactly how to use it, step by step. No prescriptions, no side effects, just safe, time-tested solutions. Bullseye emoji. Let's unlock nature's hidden secrets for pain-free movement, deeper sleep, and restored cartilage, naturally. Here's the truth. Most joint pain comes down to three things: white check mark emoji, chronic inflammation, white check mark emoji, loss of lubrication, white check mark emoji, and worn out cartilage. This affects knees, hips, elbows, shoulders, and it's not just about pain, it's about losing the freedom to move without hesitation. But what if your body could rebuild itself, overnight? Let's start with one of nature's strongest tools for doing just that. Herb emoji. Remedy number 1. Ginger essential oil. Your joints wake up call. Let's talk ginger. Not just the root you add to tea, but ginger essential oil, a powerful, warming extract that works directly on worn cartilage and stubborn inflammation. When diluted with coconut or almond oil and massaged into sore joints, ginger oil stimulates blood flow and kicks your body's healing into gear. Drop of blood emoji. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients flowing right to the spot that hurts the most. Here's how to use it. Mix 3 drops of ginger oil with 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil. Massage into the affected area in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this at night so your body can absorb and regenerate while you sleep. It's a small act with massive impact. Olive emoji. Remedy number 2. Warm olive oil massage. Liquid gold for your knees. Studio microphone emoji. Narrator. You probably have it in your kitchen, but extra virgin olive oil is more than just food. It's rich in anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants that ease pain and swelling. Warming it gently and massaging it into your knees or hips acts like a soothing balm, promoting tissue healing and relieving friction inside the joint. Bathtub emoji. Use it nightly for 10-minute massages. Your joints will thank you. Garlic emoji. Remedy number 3. Garlic and olive oil poultice. Nature's anti-inflammatory. Combine crushed garlic with warm olive oil and you've got a pain-relieving paste used for centuries. Thanks to Allison, garlic's active compound, this blend goes straight to the source of inflammation, relaxing tissue, easing swelling, and speeding up cartilage recovery. Lotion emoji. Apply with gauze, wrap the joint, and leave it for 20 minutes, 3 times per week. Blossom emoji. Remedy number 4. Warm arnica tea. Compress, fast, natural relief. Feeling stiffness on cold days? Boil dried arnica flowers in water, soak a cloth, and apply it warm to the affected joint. Arnica's plant-based anti-inflammatory powers soak into your skin, relieving pain and reducing swelling. Safe, natural, and deeply effective. Use it daily or a few times a week for chronic discomfort. Bathtub emoji. Remedy number 5. Epsom salt bath, a magnesium-powered reset. Sometimes the best remedy is to soak and let go. Epsom salt, rich in magnesium sulfate, draws out inflammation and relaxes the muscles around your joints, reducing tension and helping your cartilage heal. Add 1 to 2 cups to a warm bath or foot basin. Soak for 20 minutes while the magic works beneath your skin. It's a full body reset, especially soothing at night. Green heart emoji. Remedy number 6. Aloe vera gel, cool comfort with healing power. If your joints feel hot, swollen, or irritated, aloe vera gel is your best friend. Applied directly, it cools on contact while delivering enzymes and amino acids that calm inflammation and restore skin elasticity. Use fresh gel for the best effect, especially before bed or after activity. Test tube emoji. Remedy number 7. Green clay and herbal mix, deep detox for joints. This one's for when your joints feel clogged and stuck. Green clay mixed with herbal tea, like chamomile or arnica, draws out toxins that accumulate in inflamed joints, helping your body heal from the inside out. Apply as a paste, leave for 30 minutes, rinse with cold water. Twice a week and your joints will start feeling freer and lighter. Cherry blossom emoji. Remedy number 8. Lavender essential oil, calming relief for chronic pain. Lavender isn't just calming, it also reduces pain perception by acting directly on nerve receptors. Mixed with a carrier oil, it becomes a gentle, aromatic way to soothe inflammation and ease into sleep. Use with a warm compress for deeper absorption. Honey pot emoji. Remedy number 9, turmeric and coconut oil paste. Curcumin in action. Turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices on earth. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric with coconut oil and warm it into a paste. Apply to the joint, cover with cloth, and leave it on for 30 minutes. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for compounding benefits. The curcumin works deep in your tissues, naturally and safely. Herb emoji. Final reveal, the most powerful leaf for regenerating cartilage. Now, for what you've been waiting for. The most powerful leaf of all for regenerating cartilage and relieving deep joint pain is comfrey leaf. Seedling emoji. Comfrey contains a rare compound called allantoin, which stimulates cell growth, rebuilds damaged tissue, and promotes rapid cartilage regeneration. It also contains tannins and mucilage that reduce inflammation and protect your joints from further damage. Badge emoji. But listen closely, comfrey should only be used topically. Do not ingest it. Lotion emoji. To use, steep comfrey leaves in hot water for 10 minutes, let it cool, then apply as a compress or make a salve. Use it regularly, several times a week, for lasting results. Pain doesn't have to be permanent. You don't need expensive pills or harsh procedures to feel better. All you need is a little consistency. And nature's gifts. Whether it's ginger oil, garlic paste, green clay, or the incredible power of comfrey, you now have tools at your fingertips to help your body heal. Folded hands emoji. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your experience, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss more natural solutions to stay active, strong, and pain-free. Bellhop bell emoji. Turn on notifications for weekly tips, and remember, right pointing finger emoji. Getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. It means getting smarter about what your body needs.